Hello, so in this video I just wanted to make a really quick Vidnami review and also let you know about Vidnami's Black Friday sale that ends on the 27th of November. So I want to quickly go over what you're going to be getting in Vidnami when you in Vidnami over this Black Friday sale. I think it's a fantastic deal and I use Vidnami all the time. In fact, I actually pay full price for Vidnami. I just wanted to quickly go over what you're going to be getting from Vidnami. I've just received that email and I'm also going to be throwing in my own bonuses if you support this channel by clicking the link in the description and purchasing Vidnami through my affiliate links. Let's just have a look at the email. So Vidnami is saying this special Black Friday mega bundle will help anyone use video marketing to grow their business, even if they've never made a video before. Now, if we scroll down, you can see 40% off Vidnami for life, which means you're saving $216 per year. Okay, so if we scroll down, the bonuses that Vidnami are giving you: free script Nami. So this will allow you to create salesy sales scripts, basically a click of a button. Then you've got the question samurai bonus, so it will allow you to discover what your customers are searching for, so a little bit of keyword research. Then you've also got the video traffic blueprint pack bonus, so these are basically templates that you can use and incorporate into your own stuff. Then you've got the 5-minute Facebook ad formula, so you can basically give you guidelines and examples on how you can create high converting video ads on Facebook. Scrolling down, you get another bonus, which is 21 ways to find clients ebook, and it's basically talking about video agencies and how you can explore different angles on generating more leads and more customers for your agency. If we scroll down, you've also got the YouTube SEO cheat sheet. I've actually gone through this and I actually did learn a few things from it. So with me, it kind of gave me one of those aha moments. It showed me a few things that I was doing incorrectly that I modified, and now although it's not like a massive jump in views and what's not, it definitely increases your click-through rate, so you should have a look at that. Then you've got the smartphone camera tips ebook, so this is really good for anyone who's not really got a lot of capital to buy cameras and stuff like that. It'll show you all the tips and tricks. Actually, I need it at the moment because I'm currently relocating, so my studio is not properly set up at the moment. So as you can see, my camera, my lighting is a little off, as you can see on me. I keep flicking in and out. If we scroll down, you've got the influencer template pack. So these are little things, and you can actually see the examples right next to it, which is basically showing you how to stand out from the crowd amongst all the other influencers. Storyblocks video clip library. I actually use this software a lot for my other tutorial videos and and stuff like that. So they provide really high quality stock footage for you, so that's a really nice one. Then you've got Storyblocks music tracks, and again, Storyblocks is a fantastic piece of kit. So anything, although I've not experimented with the music tracks, just looking at the stock footage, I'm pretty sure they're going to be good. Then you've got the influencer video masterclass, so you've got a private workshop which shows you how to just gloss up your videos so they become more viewer friendly, glossy, and all of that. Okay, just jumping over to my bonuses. So I'm going to give away 4 bonuses to anyone who decides they want to purchase Vidnami using my affiliate link. So bonus 1 is my local business overnight ranking course. It's basically 14 short videos, very focused videos, which talks about the theory of how you can get really good rankings, and then it goes into the practical step-by-step instructions, and you can actually watch me live implement all the theory that I've just taught you. Really focused course. I don't really like making super long courses. This is straight to the point, jump in, because I want you to start seeing results, and then once you start seeing results, you do start to learn the theory anyway. Bonus 2 is video marketing blaster proof. Okay, and this is basically me taking taking a software like Video Marketing Blaster, and I know a lot of people who watch these videos probably already own Video Marketing Blaster, and you've seen me do lots of talks about it, but this is a live case study on a plumber niche, and you watch me step by step on how to do all of that. Then I'm also giving away my 10-minute keyword research hack. This is a 10-minute guide on basically how you can take one profitable keyword and turn it into 18 plus profitable keywords. So minimizing that whole hardcore research, trying to find 1,000,001 profitable keywords. You can actually manipulate these keywords and create many more keywords. Then the final course is my Small Payments Big Profit course, which is basically how I earn like £1 to £2 about 137 times a day. Just it's microtransactions, all about that sort of things, and basically how you can set up those sort of passive income streams. Again, really focused guide, and yeah. Okay, so I've just jumped into Vidnami. Just so you know, Vidnami is the rebranded version of Content Samurai. So if you're not 100% sure what Vidnami actually is, well, it's really simple. Vidnami is a AI video creator that creates videos on the fly for you. So the way it works is you would jump into create a new video. You would choose the style templates. You've got influencer, instant ads, sales videos, course training videos, property, and then you can have your own custom ones. Okay, if I go into content video and I'm just going to select a random template, let's go with corporate blue, you would then do use this template. You would name it, so let's just pretend I'm a plumber. Okay, so they've just quickly typed in a script. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the scenes. Okay, and what it does is that from that script, it automatically associates all the words you've used in the script with video footage relating to those words. So for example, you can see plumbing firm, okay, and what it's done is taken plumbing firm and it's found footage of plumbers or plumbing work or something along those lines. And if we scroll down, okay, and you can see here flooding problems, sink fixed, okay, so pipes tightening, and then local plumbing firm, just again with more pipe tightening, contact us with a nice picture of a phone. And if you didn't like any of these footages and stuff like that, well, you'll just come to the specific slide, click on it. On the left here, you can decide, do you want video footage or images? So let's just say for this one, we want images, and I'm just going to do leak, okay? And on the left, you can see that it's now showing all of this footage with leak. So we're just going to select this one, and there you have it. This guy's struggling, but you get the gist. You can also edit each scene, and with all these options, you can move stuff around, zoom in, change the animation. But ultimately, it usually does a really good job of just pulling everything together. Once you're finished with that, all you'll do is come to the bottom and do add voice track to your video. Now, this is one of my favorite things about this software, that it's got synthetic voices, which are a little bit human-like, not super human-like, but they do what you need them to do. And you can decide if you want to automatically choose what voice you want, or you can upload your own voice track. And another little nice feature is record your own voice, and you can actually, if you've got a microphone plugged in, you can click record and read that line, and it will stop it and it will sync it all nice for you. So I'm just going to do auto voice and then do preview your video. And what it's doing now is it's pulling everything together nice and simple. Okay, so now that that's done, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to properly play the video, but as you can see, it's all nice and animated as I scroll through. There we have it, okay? And if you want to adjust the timing or anything, or add music to the background, you can do that all here. But I'm just going to looks good and continue. Now, another really nice thing about this software, as you can see, is that if it finds copyrighted footage or images, it will actually provide you with the description you should be putting in your description, with credit the author with the link. So if I actually open this link up, you can see that this image is actually it's got some rights on it, so you need to keep yourself legally protected by giving credit to whoever created this, and all you'll do is copy this and paste it into wherever you post this video online. That is really handy to do, and then all you'll do is generate your video and you would download it. And another really good thing is that this is done in the cloud, which means that you can actually close this tab, you can go do other work on your computer, and it will not slow down your computer or anything like that. Okay, in fact, it barely affects your computer because your computer is not using its processing power to do what's normally needed. And finally, if you go into your videos, it also stores the template there, and you can clone it and do whatever. You can see I use this software on a regular basis. I also use it for a lot of examples I do online, so it's actually a really cool software. I hope you enjoyed this quick update, especially with this Vidly Black Friday sale. It does come to an end on the 27th, and again, if you use my link to purchase this, you will get all of those bonuses I spoke about before. All you need to do is click the link in the description, and what will happen, you'll purchase, and then after you've purchased, you should receive an email with my bonuses. But if you don't, I will leave an email address in the description for you to reach out with me just in case, and I'll usually get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.